Hello everyone, in this video I will be covering how to bookmark a website. We'll begin by going to the page that you would like to bookmark. I'm going to go to Google Docs. Once you are at the website / page that you would like to bookmark, you will go up to the menu bar, click on bookmarks, and click bookmark this page. Then it will bring up a new box and you will have the option to change the name of the bookmark. So maybe you want to call it Docs, or I actually want to keep it at Google Docs, so I'm going to keep it at that. Then you can decide to put it in the bookmarks bar or put it in a folder. I'm just going to keep it by itself. Click done. Then if you click on new tab, you will see it right there. Then if you click on it, it will go straight to the page. And if you would like to create a new folder for your website, then you will click on folder, name the folder. I'm going to call it Google Chrome and save. And there's your folder, and you can click and drag any websites that you would like to put in that folder just to make it more clean if you have 20 bookmarked pages. Then if you click on your folder, and it'll have a drop down menu, and you can click on that website and it'll go straight to it. And that is how you bookmark a page. Thank you.